development project. And first of all, I would like to start with the project structure. I have API JS pages and app.js and index.js with .css and service worker.js right here and mobile CSS here. And first of all, I would like to open the index.html. This file contains the path for the APIs, various APIs such as web speech, battery API, and background sync is also here. Index. Alright, so first of all, the APIs, it's the battery API which checks the battery percentage in the device which we are using. The web speech API is the speech recognition API which convert text to speech, and it also successfully prints the speech which is successfully spoken by the system. Background sync for offline data and saving the jokes offline here. Then this is a joke list.js right here. It has the use of Firestore and it uses the joke API for fetching the jokes. Then notification API, it shows the notifications, and it also shows the how many times a page is being rendered or loaded by the user. And home.html for the notification, and jokelist.html for the joke list page. Here's the app.js and index.html, and this is the manifest.json, and this is the style, and this is the service worker here. It has the installation and caching, service worker activations, then fetching the resources, background sync, and notifications here. Alright, so I would like to start the demonstration. I go to live, and let me reset the permissions here. Alright, so if I reset the permission, it asks me for the microphone. I click on allow, it asks me for the show notifications right here. I can allow it here, and you can see that both the things are allowed right now. The jokes are being fetched online. Once it gets reloaded, it changes the joke. Alright, and let me open the console as well. So here's the console. Notification permission granted, and it shows speech recognition error just because I haven't started the notification, my joke list page yet, and I'm showing you in the mobile view right here. So alright, this is the battery percentage right here, which is the same as the my device. And let me go to my joke list now. So first of all, let me open that. Alright, so that warning has been gone now for the perfect. So let me first of all open this one in the full view. So how it looks such way like this. I have opened it so many times, so all of those jokes which are came from the home page are actually stored here in the my joke list. For example, what do Asian people call finger? This joke must be added here in this. Right here. Perfect. So it has been added, and it stores the data in the Firestore. Alright, so these are the jokes list right here which are being added. Perfect. So these are the list of jokes here, and this is the joke as well. Parsing HTML with regex is right here, you can see. So it is currently loaded from the jokes Firestore collection. Alright, so this is the, let me check for the speech recognition. So the reason why the speech recognition error has no speech, it's just because my device has volume closed. So the volume is 0 right now. If I increase the volume and if I reload this page, the warning is gone now. And of course it used the microphone. Perfect. So what do you want to say? Just type it here. And if I click on speak joke, and let me test this one. Turning off the Bluetooth. Now you can listen the
So what do you want to say? Just type it here.
perfect. So okay, it works.
Okay, it works, thanks.
Okay, so let me just open the last thing, which is notification center. Perfect. And for this one I would like to open. Okay, so the page is total 16 times reloaded, and if I reload it again it says 17 times. Alright, there is no errors in console at all, so I'm just opening this in full view now. Alright, so reload and reset the permission here. Alright, so reload page and reset the permission here. So if I click on allow notification, so now it allowed here, and it says me the page is clicked 19 times, and I click okay, it becomes 19 times, it becomes 20 times. And this is the function. If I reset the permission here and if I reload it again and if I click on notify me, so it asks me for the permission and I can allow it now. First of all, this is the manifest file which is showed in the web browser, and there's a name, short name, and it is successfully recognized here and having the same theme color and the background color is white. Nextly, service worker is here, and the service worker sw.js, and it is successfully running, and it has the install, wait, and activate. And here's the same time, 4:05 a.m. and 4:05 a.m. right here, and it's successfully here. Post sync and periodic sync is already here. So next, and the name is sw.js as the file code here, file name sw.js. Next is local storage, and okay, so next is session storage, and it is true here. Then there is indexed database. Alright, so it has the Firebase which is stored here, and I can refresh the Firebase and delete the Firebase based on anything, and here is the value which is being stored in the for the Firebase database. And then after I do have the storage. Alright, so the application is successfully storing the 3 types of data. First of all, cache storing, then index storing, and the service workers. Alright, so in the cache storage, here the cache is for the left for, which is the previous one, don't worry for that. But here is the my joke wave cache, and this is the actual cache for the my joke wave application right here, and it stores the data right here for that 200. Okay, and for the app.js it is right here with the date and index it. .html, which is already stored right here. And next is reporting APIs. So it has the APIs detail right here. Text to speech is allowed, and other some of the tasks here. Perfect. So if I go to my joke list, or if I go to notification center here, alright, and if I close the Wi-Fi here now, and if I check for the detail here, if I reload this, if I reset the permission, it shows me the 3 times it is